Watch as we make this bathroom accessible for a local veteran. The original layout provided too many barriers. The large garden tub was taking up a lot of space and not accessible. The vanity needed an update and a universal design. The vanity now provides additional knee space, while the faucet offers a pull-down spout. We've really opened up this space. Now, these modifications offer comfort and safety. The modification of the tub space became a beautiful curbless entry shower. In addition to the bathroom, a stylish but slip-resistant flooring was installed throughout the home. Let's take a look outside. Ingress and egress changes were taken into account. Then, after a door was added, concrete ramps were poured. Out front, prior to the modifications, the paved pathways outside were narrow and uneven, and the turn radius for a wheelchair or walker was insufficient. Now, the widened pathways make entering and exiting the home a breeze. For all types of home remodeling and renovations, including modifications for accessibility, look us up online. Thanks for watching. Bye.